Hello, hello, hello. So we are going to Pi Land today, or should we wait till 14th of March? You'll get to know what that 14th of March means. So Pi is all around us, Pi is all around us, all around us, all around us. Have you ever wondered where the pi is equal to 3.14 comes from? Have you ever imagined where it comes from? You keep hearing take pi to be 3.14, calculate the circumference of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. Take pi to be 3.14, take pi to be 22 over 7.
Hello.
All right, it's experiment
Now
time.
to our experiment about how pi was derived. I'll be showing you a very simple way to get your pi. At home, you can also practice this experiment. I have a perfectly round tin here. I'm going to be using a tip rule. Some people actually use the thread. They use a thread that they will spread on a ruler to get whatever they measure. But I'm going to be using a tip rule. It's easier, it's convenient. Now my tip rule has two faces, the inches face, you can see, and the centimeters face. So I wrap it around my perfectly round tin. I keep emphasizing perfectly round tin. Don't just pick any cylindrical object, just get a perfectly round tin. Or maybe this is where you get to know cylinders that are perfect and the ones that are not perfect. So wrapping it around, I have a perfect 20 centimeters. You can see a perfect 20 centimeters. You put that down. That's your circumference. Remember, your circumference is the distance around a circle. Now, I have two ends of my tin, the closed end and the open end. I'm going to be using the closed end. You can also use the open end. So measuring my diameter, diameter is one point of your circle to the other end, passing through the center of your circle. Here I have a 6.4 centimeters. That's my diameter, 6.4 centimeters. Remember, your circumference is actually 2 pi r. That's the formula where your pi is always taken as 3.14 or 22 over 7. We want to actually derive that 3.14. How does that 3.14 come to be? You've always been told take pi as 3.14, but you definitely don't know how that 3.14 came by. It didn't just fall from the sky. When circumference is 2 pi r and you want to make pi the subject of formula, remember you remove the 2 and r from where pi is and bring it under your circumference. So your circumference over 2r is pi. That 2r is diameter. Your diameter is always 2 r, okay? 2r, 2 times radius, that's your diameter. So now I have my circumference as 20 centimeters, my diameter as 6.4 centimeters. So now to get pi, I divide the circumference 20 centimeters by 6.4 centimeters, and I have 3.125. If I approximate 3.125 to two decimal places, I have 3.13. I'm close, right? I'm close to 3.14. Well, it's not giving me a perfect 3.14, but I am actually close. So you can also try this simple experiment. So pi didn't fall from the sky, it was derived. No matter the size of your tin, whether it's a small tin or a big tin, your pi should give you 3.14. Well, this is an experiment. My experiment gave me 3.13 anyway. I'm quite close. So, one more fascinating thing. Do you know there is Pi Day? Always celebrated third month, 14th day, 3.14.
So, Pi Day, a brief history. It's celebrated on March 14th every third month, since 314 had the first three significant figures of pi. and it was first celebrated in the United States, founded in 1988 by Larry Shaw, an employee of a science museum in San Francisco, the Exploratorium. Here comes the end of our video, so kindly subscribe, like, and share. Bye.